Welcome to Crypto Market, where we bring you the latest and greatest updates in the world of crypto. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the most important news that you don't want to miss. Firstly, we address the ongoing legal dispute between Ripple Labs and the US SEC, which has captured significant attention due to the delay in the summary judgment. Shedding light on the matter, attorney and crypto law founder John Deaton emphasizes the need for a closer examination of the situation before jumping to conclusions. Deaton provides sufficient justification to debunk any notion of peculiar circumstances surrounding the delay. Importantly, Deaton highlights that Ripple is not the only case pending before Judge Torres, the presiding judge in this matter. He points out that other cases have experienced substantial delays before Judge Torres. Concluding his assessment, Deaton acknowledges that while many anticipated a ruling by now, other cases have taken an equal amount of time. He suggests that Judge Torres is likely aware of the significance of her decision. Secondly, prominent cryptocurrency analytical platform Sentiment has provided new analysis regarding XRP, the sixth largest crypto by market cap. According to Sentiment, when traders talk about an asset while its price declines, it increases the possibility of its price hike to cancel out shorts, greed, and FUD. Notably, XRP's discussion rate in the early hours of today marks the largest spike the crypto asset has recorded since May. Per Sentiment, the FUD could propel the price of XRP to surge. And lastly, the upcoming BRICS Summit in Johannesburg, scheduled for August 22nd to 24th, has captured global attention. Anticipation is mounting as ministers from the BRICS country convene to explore potential avenues for expanding the bloc's membership and introducing a unified currency. Recent data from Google Trends reveals a surge of interest in the BRICS, signifying widespread curiosity on a global scale. We hope you found this technical update informative and engaging. If you did, please like, comment below with your thoughts, and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in crypto news and updates. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content from Crypto Market.